good afternoon. I'm inviting you to please experience what the core can provide you. We're located at 888 FLC Center, Unit 2A in Subang Dako in Mandaue. And we're open to anything that you would like to experience. You can rent the place for a class, for a seminar, a gallery, anything that you would want to do. You're more welcome here at the core.
Nice skin. Pero nalesa na akong mga acne. Pag after tong first kuan, wala ako bugaso. Then kani rin spots, pero wala siya.
Nice noon. Minute yung skin.
Masyag na pikla.
Ni-close ang pores.
Pero ganahan ko, basta butangan o katong beauty derm nga cream, induta sa naon. Ano siya. Kilay ra ni siya guys. My favorite Etude House and Precious Skincare Cosmetics na dark brown na brown.
What the?
Nagwapa kayo. Ganun ko sa ibang brows din.
Benefit.
Guys, we're here di sa opening sa The Core. Ano ni siya guys? Core, calm oneself and release energy. Ganun.
Lisod jud kaayo to find a place of asa tam rehearse and dili kayo init, komportable ang mga actors. So back then, 2012, I was thinking it'd be nice if we actually have your own place where you can cater to everyone. And then that was then, and then I finally had the chance to think of it again this time. And then we pushed through. The place is actually, the space is not just for dancing. Even though it is equipped for dancing now, our floors are sprung floors. So the reason why we had that is because the main thing when you dance or any kind of movement or any kind of physical activity, it always goes to your ankles and to your knees. So if you notice it when you guys go upstairs, it's a bit bouncy. So it's totally equipped for dance movement, any kind of physical activity. And then, so we have right now, we have Zumba, yoga, meditation, and pop dance. A space where anybody can just come in, because then I want it to cater for everybody's needs. So I tried to provide everything that I could for the space for a very economical price. It's for everyone out there, for the talents. And I go, why not cater this to everyone, and they can experience whatever the best possible equipments that we can provide at the place at a very economical price. It's literally open to anyone, and to anyone that would love to use the space. It's really not just for a specific area for dancing alone. We have karate classes now. That's gonna run for 2 months. I believe he's a Milo instructor for karate. So I'm really fortunate and very grateful for the people that have been really interested in training upstairs.
So right now guys, mga tumi sa The Core. So we're here na guys, inside sa studio ng MDF, which is The Core. So, yeah, super bouncy. Meron pa talagang merong mirror. Ganda. Super ganda ng mirror.
I can't do that. All right. And then maybe like a video camera pointing down. So when they rehearse, they can always do a playback instantly.
Record it.
Yeah.
Super nice.
Diba? And then we're thinking of putting a projector where you can control it that comes down. A projector in the center, so if anybody wants to use it for like a class, it's all ready to go. Hi everyone, good afternoon. I'm inviting you to please experience what the core can provide you. We're located at 888 FLC Center, Unit 2A in Subang Dako in Mandaue. And we're open to anything that you would like to experience. You can rent the place for a class, for a seminar, a gallery, anything that you would want to do. You're more welcome here at the core.
It's very good for practices. I tell you guys, super out there, mga Cebuanos, Mandawianos, you can rent here. It's super nice.
So what dances do you like? Yeah. Lips. Muscles. Okay na lang.
Hey guys, so I'm with Miss Cebu.
Maayong adlaw. Maayong adlaw. Ako si Rain Valjak. I am the owner and founder of Babby Boobs Beauty and Fitness Consultancy, and I am Miss Cebu 2016.
Wow, super pretty guys. Mag-selfie me.
See the world is waiting for me, but it feels like home. Through the door, through the door, through where no one's been before, but it feels like
They can say it all sounds crazy. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make. You call me out upon the road, the great unknown, where feet may fail. Spirit, lead me where my trust is without borders.
the way I feel. I'm standing still, and nothing else matters now. You're not here, so where are you? Running, 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 running from myself and more. Running, 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 running from myself no more. I'm ready to face it all.
All my ladies, I don't need introduction. Follow my simple instruction. Wind to the left, sway to the right, drop it down low and take it back high. Bitch, I don't need introduction. Follow my simple instruction. You see me, I do what I gotta do. Oh yeah. I'm the guest, there's no need to queue. Oh yeah. Me and my crew, we got the juice. Oh yeah. So come here, let me meet you. Now, some say I'm the boss. Don't care what it costs. Step back, you know I'm money risky. No, if you're the one, I'm dying, I'm wrong. Introduction, follow my simple instruction.
Dance of love.
Lady, I'm your knight in shining armor, and I love you. You have made me what I am, and I am yours. And oh, we belong together. My ako'y sa'yo, ikaw ay akin. Sana ay gabihan na sa ilalim ng buti, sa dilaw ng buwan. Pakinggan mo ang aking sigaw sa dilaw ng buwan.
갈라질 때 숨이 막혀와 갈증이 나이 한자들 가득히 담아 멈출 듯한 그대로 오늘 밤이야 Yeah It's the love shot Said she tired, little money, need a big boy. Full of 20-inch blades like a little toy. Now it's everybody flocking, need a decoy. Shorty mixing up the vodka with the liquor. G-Wagon, 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 G-Wagon. All the housewives fully rope. I got a lot of toys. 720S, put me call out, boy. You was talking shit in the beginning. Back when I was feeling unforgiving. I know I'm pissed you want to see me winning. See the ink glue in my mouth and I be grinning. Get more bottles, these bottles are lonely. It's a moment when I show up, God, I'm saying wow. 100 bands in my pocket, it's on me. Your grandma will probably know me. Get more bottles, these bottles are lonely. It's a moment when I show up, God, I'm saying wow. Everywhere I go, catch me on the block like I'm Mutombo. 750 Lambo in the Utah snow. Trunk in the front like the shit Dumbo. When I got caught, why they all disappear? Before I drive Sony, none of y'all really care. Now they always say congratulations to the kid. And this is not a 40, but I'm pouring out this shit. Used to have a lot, but I got more now. Bet another hit, cause I got more now. Always going for it, never put fourth down. Last call, Hail Mac, Prescott, touchdown, yeah. Everybody gets high sometimes. What else can we do when we're feeling low? Should have drown me right.
Won't let them break me down to dust. I know that there's a place for us. for we are glorious. When the sun will cut me down, I'm gonna send the flood, gonna drown them out. I'm brave, I'm bruised, I'm who I'm meant to be. This is now, 'cause here I come. And I'm marching on to the beat I drum. I'm not scared to be seen, I make no apologies. This is me,
Gonna send a flood, gotta drown them out.
I'm brave and bruised, I am who I'm meant to be.
This is me.